let's make something to celebrate. It's almost time for a new year. Let's make some New Year's Eve party glasses. You're going to start by downloading the file and cutting it out on your cutting machine. There are 3 different styles of glasses in this kit. This is the first style, the Happy New Year style. The construction is fairly simple. You're going to have 2 side ear holders, the main body of the glasses, some rims, the decor for the top, and then this fun little piece that's going to tuck behind and work like a little crown on top of your head above the glasses. So let's start off by gluing these pieces onto the main body of the glasses. So it's fairly simple. We're just going to put glue on the back and line those pieces up where they need to be to put the face together. You can use whatever kind of glue you like. I'm going to use just a bit of tacky glue for this because the parts are pretty thin, and I don't want to use something like hot glue where I could potentially burn myself. So we don't need to glue the whole thing, mostly just putting some little dabs in the corners, on the ends, any place where it might curl up a bit. Just little dabs where we need them. Okay, I feel like I have enough. So I'm going to line it up with the top of this. There is some space that goes around these letters. So we're just going to get it where I feel like it's lined up. A little bit of a space on the border. And that piece is in place. Now we're going to go on to these glasses rims. And again, just glue them and line them up. And there's a little bit of a black border that's going to remain around each piece. These I'm just going to use some hot glue. It's a little faster, dries quicker, and they're thick enough that I feel like I'm not going to burn myself. Press that down there. And the next one, just a small bead of glue around there. And then just line it up, press it down. This piece, the front of the glasses, is ready. Now I just need to add my top crown and the side arms. So I'm going to take these glasses and I'm going to put them face down. It's going to be a little easier to work this way. I'm going to take this crown piece, nice and shiny, and I'm going to put the glue on the front side of this. So this piece that I'm using, because of the material I cut it out of, it has a right side and a wrong side. So I do want to put my glue on the right side of this, on the front. I'm going to put glue along there, and then this is just going to go face down to the back of these glasses. And on this one, it sticks on just like that. And then in the front, it looks like this. So you have these fun little stars that can move around and bounce at the top of the glasses. Now, the only thing we have left to do is put on the side arms. I'm going to lay these glasses face down again. And I'm going to take each arm, and there's 2 little crease lines. I'm going to crease both. The 2 is just to give the glasses a bit of movement and shape. Because different faces are different sizes, and so that way the glasses can sit a little different on different faces. So I'm going to crease both of them, both sides. Just like that. These are ready to go. This last tab, so just the joint closest to the end to this way, I'm going to put glue on that tab. And then I'm going to stick it down right here at the edge, like that. So it lines up with that edge. And now I'm going to do the opposite side. You do want to make sure when you do this part that you did it so that the ears on the glasses are facing down, or the correct way. You don't want to accidentally put those on upside down. And now let's see how they look on. I'm ready to party. This is the second style of glasses in the kit. I'm going to show you how to put this one together. Same principle. We're just going to use glue to attach the pieces to the face the way they need to go, add the crown piece for the back, and then add the side arms. So let's do this first. I'm going to do these glasses rims. Just add a bit of hot glue to this. This is a little thin. I'm going to use some hot glue, but you might not want to. Line it up. Just like that. Now let's do the other side. Again, just a bit of glue on it. Line it up. Now we're going to put these letters on the top. Just a little glue on the back of each one. Doesn't have to be perfect. You can kind of use the outside outline to tell where the letters go. That's the face of the glasses, all the pieces on. Now we're going to lay them face down. We're going to add this crown piece to the top, again by gluing on the front side. And then just taking it, laying it face down, lining it up behind those letters. So it goes like that. And then the front side looks like this. Now we're going to add these side arms. Same deal. We're going to crease them on each side. And then just add a little glue to the front of that tab. Line it up. Press it down. The other side, I'm going to add just a little bead of glue. And then press that down. And we have another pair. Let's put them on. Ta-da! Cheers! Cheers to another great craft. This style of glasses is the 2026 version, or maybe it's 2027 or 2028. I don't know what year it is. I don't know what year you're downloading this file. This one has the year, whichever year is current. Right now it's 2026, so that's what I'm making. For this style, we're going to do the same thing. First, we're going to attach the pieces to the front, put that together, then the crown, and then the side arms. So let's go ahead and do that. Now everything's on the face of the glasses. Let's add the crown piece. Just like that. Now we're going to add these side arms. And another successful pair of glasses. I hope you have a very happy new year.